Hello students, you're most welcome in calculus classes for mathematics and physics. Today we are going to discuss some numerical questions based on reflection of light and refraction of light. So today's class will be for class 10th only. So I'm taking the 10th class physics today, physics class 10. Okay, so we'll discuss some questions, some numerical questions of reflection of light and refraction of light from chapter number 10. Okay, I uploaded one document in the beginning of this video. Some questions are written in that on that document, so we'll discuss all those questions. Now I'll read one by one questions and I'll solve some questions so that you can understand nicely the concept of all numerical questions. Okay, so first question I'm reading: an object 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the position, nature and size of the image. So in the question it is very clearly mentioned the height of the object. Height of object is equals to 4 centimeter and distance of object is also given. Distance of object is given as 10 centimeter and focal length of lens is equals to 20 centimeter. So I want to tell you about the sign convention of this convex lens. The nature of lens is convex lens, so we know very well the focal length of lens will be positive. So I'll write focal length of lens f equals to 20 centimeter. I hope you understood. And as we know very well, the distance of object is always taken as negative. So distance of object we used to denote by u. So we'll write distance of object u equals to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, hope so you understood. Earlier I wrote only the data from the question so that you can understand this is the data from the question, and now I'm fixing this data into sign convention. Hope so you understood. So I'll apply lens formula. I hope that you are knowing the lens formula. So lens formula is simply related by 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the lens formula. So I'll apply the value of focal length 20, v we want to know, that means image distance and position of image, and this is the value of object distance. So I applied minus 10. So 1 by 20 equals to 1 by v. This negative sign and negative sign will become positive sign, 1 by 10. Okay, you can see again this negative and this negative will become positive. I am sending this 1 by 10 this side, so again it will become negative. Okay, then I know you are knowing what's the LCM of 20 and 10. So LCM of 20 and 10 will be 20 only. So this is 21. When we'll divide this 20 by 20, so 1 will come, and we'll divide this 20 by 10, so 2 will come. Okay, so hope so understanding. Now we found the value of v. So now we found the value of v. V is equals to minus 20. As we discussed so many concepts and so many basic concept of image formation by convex lens. So what we are finding? We are finding the position of image will be at minus at 20 degree, 20 centimeter from the lens in the same side of the object. Why we are getting that? Why we are saying that the same side of the object? Because we are getting the value of v is negative. Negative says that means the distance of image is negative. That means image will lie on the same side of the object. That means it shows that image will be virtual. Okay, so hope so understood the position of the image. We'll write position of the image equals to 20 centimeter same side of the object. That means object is kept in front of the lens left side, so image will also be left side. Okay, hope so you understood. Now this is the position. Now nature, so we'll find magnification. Magnification equals to, what's the formula of magnification? That means V upon U. So we used to write by M, V upon U. Magnification, the value of V is minus 20 and value of U is also minus 10. So what we are getting magnification 2. The value of magnification is coming positive. It indicates that image will be virtual. Okay, as we discussed earlier in the previous classes and previous questions, that suppose the value of magnification is coming positive, it shows that so it is indicating that the image will be virtual. So we found three things: position we found, nature we found, and one more thing was there, size of the image. Okay, so to find the size of image, one more magnification, one more formula for magnification. As we know, one more formula of magnification, that formula says that size of image upon size of object. That means this formula also we already discussed in our classes, that M equals to height of image, we can say h dash, height of object h only. Okay, so we'll apply this formula. Value of magnification we already found earlier, so it was 2 only, and size of the image we want to know, and size of object is given as 4. So size of the image will be 8 centimeter. Hope so you understood very well all the numerical, all the values which is asked by the question. Now dear students, I'm taking next question, question number 4. Question number 4, I'm reading the question number 4 so that you can understand what is the given in the question. A small object is so placed in front of a convex lens of 5 centimeter focal length that a virtual image is formed at a distance of 25 centimeter. Find its magnification. That means they are saying that we are placing the object in front of a convex lens in such a way that it is forming virtual image at a distance of 25 centimeter. Okay, so we want to know what's the magnification of this lens. Okay, we want to know magnification. So what we are observing, focal length already given, focal length of lens. So I'm writing f is equals to 5 centimeter, and it's very clearly mentioned. They are saying that virtual image formed by a convex lens always same side of the object. So image distance V will be equal to image distance V will be equal to minus 25. I hope you are understanding why I am taking minus 25 sign. Okay, so I'll apply lens formula. First of all, by lens formula, sorry, by mistake. See, it is the lens formula. Lens formula says 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. I am knowing the focal length. Focal length is given as 5. Image distance is given as minus 25. Okay, and I want to know u. So I'm not taking the sign of u because I don't know what's the value of u. I know okay, u will be negative, but I'm keeping same. So it will come automatically negative sign. Okay. So this 1 by u will come this side equals to minus 1 by 25 and minus 1 by 5. I hope you understood this. Minus 1 by u came this side and 1 by 5 goes this side. So the LCM of 25 and 5 will come 25. So this will be minus 1 and this will be minus 5. So 1 by u is equals to minus 6 by 25. So u will be equal to minus 25 by 6 centimeter. This is the position of the object. Now magnification. Magnification can be found out with the help of v upon u. So m equals to, the value of v is already minus 25. Okay, and value of u is equals to minus 25 by 6. Okay, so this m equals to minus 25 into minus 6 by 25. Minus minus cancels plus, and this 25 will cancel. So what will come? Magnification will be 6. So it says that means object will image will appear 6 times larger than the object. Now students, I'll take the question number 8. I'm skipping some questions so that you can practice them. So I'm taking the question number 8. I'm reading the question number 8 so that you can understand. A convex lens produces an inverted image magnified 3 times of an object at a distance of 15 centimeter. From it, calculate focal length of the lens. They are saying that the convex lens is producing 3 times magnified image of an object, and they are saying that inverted image. Inverted image, that means the image will be real. Okay, so they are saying that 3 times magnified, that means it is saying that magnification. Okay, magnification is given in the question. Magnification will be equal to minus 3. I hope you understood why I am taking this minus 3, because they are saying that inverted image. Inverted image, that means image will be real and the magnification of real images will be negative. So I found the value of m is minus 3, and they are saying that image is formed at a distance of 15 centimeter. So image, that means suppose a convex lens, so image will be the other side of the lens. So image distance will be positive. Image distance v equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So first of all, I will apply the concept of magnification. M equals to v upon u. M is equals to minus 3. We don't know about the v. We know about the v. The v is 15, and we don't know about u. So u will be equals to minus 15 upon 3. So u will come minus 5. Okay, I hope understood. Minus 5 centimeter. Minus 5 indicating the sign convention. Okay, do not think that means negative sign indicate that means it is less than 0. No, it indicates the direction. That means object always kept in left of the lens. That means in the opposite direction of incident ray. Hope so you understood. Now I'll apply by lens formula. Lens formula, 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So it will be 1 by f. We want to know that means the question is asking the focal length of the lens. So f 1 by f will be same. V is 1 by 15 and minus u is minus 5. So 1 by 15, this negative sign and negative sign will become positive. So this negative and negative will be positive. 1 by 5. LCM will be only 15. 1 by f. So 15 1 and 15 3. So what will come? 1 by f equals to 4 upon 15. So I want to write the answer here only. 1 by f equals to 4 upon 15. So f equals to 15 by 4 centimeter. This is the focal length of the lens. Now students, I am taking question number 11. I am reading the question. Determine how far an object must be placed in front of a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter in order to produce an erect image of linear magnification 4. See the students, it is very clearly mentioned in the question that they are saying that linear magnification is 4, and they are following one statement that erect image, that means it is virtual image only. Virtual image, that means magnification will be positive. So they are saying the magnification is 4. So magnification will be positive. So magnification m is equals to 4 because it is virtual image. And one more thing they are saying that converging lens, that means convex lens. Converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So focal length will be focal length will be 10 centimeter. So we can say F is equals to 10 centimeter directly. And one thing they are asking, in where the object must be placed so that this condition should be fulfilled. So first of all, I want to apply the formula of magnification. M is equals to V upon U. I hope you are knowing the difference between magnification of lens and magnification of mirror. In case of mirror, here negative sign will come. In case of lens, this negative sign will not come. Okay, so magnification is 4 only. We are not knowing about the value of V and U, and we are knowing about the focal length only. So we could say that V is equals to 4U. Okay, so this is the equation we found, V equal to 4U. Now I will apply by lens formula. Lens formula says that 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, so formula focal length is 10 only. It is mentioned in the question. We are not knowing the value of V, so but we found the value of V in the form of U. So I will write here 4U minus 1 by U. Okay, so LCM of this equation will be 4U and U. So what will come? 4U will come. 4 divided by 4, so 1 will come. So 1 and 4U divided by U. So what will come? Only 4. Okay, understanding? U divide cancel by U. So 1 by 10 equal to here what will come? Minus 3 upon 4U. So we can say U is equals to 3 by 4 into 10. 3 by 4 into 10. I hope you are understanding. I send this U there and 3 by 4. So 2 and 5. So what will come? U is equals to minus 15 upon 2. 15 upon 2, that means minus 7.5 centimeter. This is the position of object at which the lens will produce the image of 4 times larger than the object. Hope so understood. Now see the students, I brought the question number 12. Very interesting question. So I'm reading the question. A convex lens of focal length 6 centimeter. So focal length of the lens is focal length equal to 6 centimeter. So value of F will be 6 centimeter. Convex lens is there. And they are saying that focal length 6 centimeter is held 4 centimeter from newspaper. So you can see I drew somewhat so to understand well. Suppose this is newspaper and okay, I kept the lens over here and you are seeing from here, na? So they are saying that this is held 4 centimeter from a newspaper. That means this distance is 4 centimeter. Okay, this distance is 4 centimeter only, and they are saying that it is held from 4 centimeter from newspaper, which has print 0.5 high. That means the height of the print is 0.5. That means we can say, that means we can touch with the help of finger and all. So they are saying that the height of the print is 0.5 centimeter. By calculation, determine the size and nature of the image produced. So we want to know so what type the image will formed here and what will be the size of the image. Okay, so I know and I am hoping that means you are understanding. That means this is the distance of object. So object distance will be equals to minus 4 centimeter. Okay, and what we want to know? We want to know the size of the image and nature of the image formed. So I'll apply first of all by lens formula. Lens formula says that 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Okay, after applying this lens formula, we can find the value of V, and now after that we can know the nature of the image formed. So focal length is 1 by 6 only, 1 by V we are not knowing, and 1 by 4. So 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by V, and this is plus 1 by 4. Okay, negative sign will become positive sign. So what will come here? It will be 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by V. So we are knowing that means the LCM of this 6 and 4 will be 12 only. So 6 2 12 and 4 3 are 12. 1 by V minus 1 by 12 equals to 1 by V. So we are knowing that V is equals to minus 12 centimeter. That means this minus sign indicates that means image will form at the same side of the object. It says that means image will be at the same side of the object. That means so definitely the image will be virtual. But again I want to tell you, with the help of magnification, m is equals to V upon U. Okay, by mistake I told minus because it will be positive only. M is equals to, so value of V is minus 12 and value of U is minus 4. So M equals to what will come? 4 3 12. So 3 times. So it says that means image will be virtual. Okay, now we want to find out the size of the image. So to find out the size of the image, we will apply the formula of magnification. Magnification formula again, what's the formula? M equals to size of image upon size of object. So a magnification is coming 3. Size of image I am taking h dash and size of object I am taking h. So they are saying that initially they were of 5 centimeter high. No? They are saying that means they were 5 centimeter high on the printing. So h dash image will be of 3 into 0.5. So what will come? 1.5 centimeter high image will be there of the printing, so that you can read nicely with the help of lens. Now students, I brought one more question. I wrote the question so that you can understand well from the question. It is mentioned in the question, an object 5 centimeter high is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. Okay, of focal length 10 centimeter. Find the position, size and nature of the image formed. Also draw the ray diagram. Okay, so first of all I will use the calculation portion, then we'll draw the diagram also. Okay, they are saying that height of the object is mentioned. Height of object h equals to 5 centimeter, and they are saying held at object is lying in front of lens at 25 centimeter. So U is equals to minus 25 centimeter, and they are saying that lens is converging lens. Focal length is equals to 10 centimeter. So we'll apply the lens formula first. Lens formula 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So focal length is given as 1 by 10. We don't know about v. I'm writing v same. U is equals to minus 25. So it will be 1 by 10 equals to 1 by v. This plus 1 by 25. Okay, minus plus. So 1 by 10. This is 10 only, na? Minus 1 by 25 equals to 1 by v. LCM of this equation will be 25. Sorry, LCM will be 50. By mistake I wrote 25. LCM will be 50. LCM will be 50 of this. So 50. When we'll divide 50 by 10, so what will come? 5 will come, and what will come? 2 will come. 1 by 5 v. So 3 by 50 equals to 1 by v. Okay. So answer of this image distance will be v equals to 50 by 3 centimeter. Okay, this is the position of the image, other side of the lens. Position of image equals to 50 upon 3 centimeter. Other side. Okay. Then after finding position, then we will find out the size and nature. So because m equals to v upon u, I want to find out first nature. V is equals to 50 by 3 as just we found. u, what was the u? Value of u was minus 25. So m equals to 50 upon 3 into 25 and negative sign. So m will be minus 2 by 3. Minus sign indicates that image will be real. So we'll say that real image. Okay. Now size. So again we will apply m equals to height of image upon height of object. So magnification is coming 2 by 3 equals to height of image we want to know, and the height of object is given as mentioned in the question 5. Na? So what will come? H dash is equal to minus 10 by 3 centimeter. Okay. So it's the size of the image. I hope you know, you're understanding everything nicely. Now I'll draw the diagram so that you can understand. Na? See student, I'm drawing the lens. I want to give the trick to draw the lens. We have two tricks. First, you can use compass, and second you can use protractor, that is called D. We used to say D in formal language. So to draw the, I didn't find D, so I'm using compass so that you can use nicely. First of all, you have to draw a straight line, that is called principal axis. Okay. After drawing principal axis, take D and take appropriate radius and draw the lens nicely with the help of compass. Somewhat it will be thick, but by using D it will be very appropriate in. Okay, so I drew the lens. I think it is looking too thick, no problem. So condition was there, that means the focal length of lens is given in the question. What is the focal length? You can see backside. Focal length is given as 10. So you can take appropriate scale. So I am taking appropriate scale. That means 1 centimeter as a 5 unit. And that means on my scale it will be. So you can take as per your choice. Okay. So I took, suppose this is center and this is the that means 5 and 10. Okay, this is the focal length here and here also. I think by drawing this lens in that means thin, so it will be easy to understand. So I drew the focal length. Now from the center of the lens, optical center, we have to place the object at 25 centimeters. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So this is the position of object. I am drawing the object over here, and we know I am taking first ray parallel to principal axis. Okay, parallel to principal axis, so it will come in this manner. Okay, I marked this focus, see earlier. So it will pass through this focus, because rule of the image formation says that if light rays is coming parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will pass through the focus. Okay. Second rule says that if light ray is passing through optical center, it will pass without deviating. So see, what we are observing, our image will be over here. This is the object and this is the image. So what we are observing? We are observing this image will be real, inverted and lesser than the object. See, you can see the size of the object as per the proportionate size. And this is the optical center, lens. This is focus f2. This is focus f1. Okay. So this will be 2f1 and here will be, so after okay, so I hope you understood. So here around here it will be 2f2. I hope you understood well the ray diagram of the question also.